Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So yeah guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to lock your sim. So if you guys for this video I'm using a Huawei device. If you guys are using any other Android devices, these settings will be almost similar, but they will not be 100% the same, so you guys can go ahead and try it out. So first of all, before we actually get into the video, don't forget to drop a like and hit that subscribe button down below. And with that, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you guys are going to want to do is open up your settings, and then you guys are going to want to scroll down to security. Once you guys are in security, you guys are going to click more settings, which is the last option, and you guys after that you'll be able to see the first setting which says set up sim lock. Click on that, and then here once you guys are in this screen, you guys will be able to choose which sim you actually want to lock. So you could choose sim 1 or sim 2. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you guys sim 2. So let's just say you want to lock your sim 2. All you guys have to do is move the slider. As you guys can see, it's currently in off. Turn it to on. I'm pretty sure you guys may be seeing a black screen right now because I have to input the password. So I'm just going to put 1234 just for the purpose of this video. So let's just say you guys on a later day you want to change the sim. You guys can come back to this same page, go back to the same sim and click change pin sim, which means, but with this you'll still need to have your old sim, which means you input the number again and then it'll give you new sim pin, and you'll also change that, and you have to retype it 2 times. I'm pretty sure you guys are seeing a black screen, but if you guys are doing it on your phone, it will be, you guys will see what I mean. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys want me to do any other tutorials, do let me know in the comments down below. With that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.